Hey folks, hope you're doing great. Matthew here from the Typito team. In this video, I would like to explain how you can transcribe videos online and that too automatically. First of all, let me explain what transcribing a video means. Transcription is simply a process of converting the audio channel of a video into text. And this is a great way for you to repurpose your content. For example, if you have a podcast audio or if you have video, you can convert that into text and use it as a blog post for your marketing purposes. So in this video, we'll cover two aspects of it. That is, one is how to transcribe a video automatically, and the second would be to download your automatically generated transcription file. So I'm now on typito.com. You can click on Get Started to get started with a blank video project. Now, once your video project is created, you can upload the media that you would like to transcribe. I've already uploaded the video that I wanted to transcribe. As you can see, it's already on the timeline and you can see it on the video canvas as well. I'll just play it for a moment.
What is an idea?
Great. And now what I'll do is I'll go to Captions tab on the left side and I choose the option auto-generate. And it will ask you to choose the current video language and also pick the language in which you would like to generate the captions in. I'm going to select English for both. It asks me to select a caption style. This is not very relevant in this video's scope because we are not interested in adding captions or hard coding it onto the video and publishing it, but we would rather want the transcription file. So I'm going to select one of these options for the time being. And I click on Start. And this is when we use AI to basically create the transcription of your video. As you can see, the transcription is already ready. You can see it on the left side as well as on the video. What's on the video is also depicted by these small overlay cues. So one thing you can do is you can just go here and just play the video and see if they are coming at the right time.
What is a thought? And how do we think all these great and new ideas that are worth spreading?
The next step would be for you to check out whether all the transcriptions have come out the way you wanted. And in fact, if you want to make any edits, that's going to be very easy. You can just go here. And if you want to add an exclamation point, just add it here. You'll see that it reflects here as well as on the video. You can also edit the text here. Once that is done, what we would like you to do is basically go ahead and click on Export. That would give you the transcription file as well as the published video with the hard-coded subtitles or the transcription. We are more interested in the transcription file in this case. And now the export is done. And as you can see, the video is ready with the captions on it. And you can just confirm that by playing the video.
What is a thought? And how do we think?
Great. So we got the transcription ready. Now, what we want is the SRT file or the transcription file. SRT just happens to be one of the formats for transcription. I get that by clicking on the button Download Subtitle. And now I get the SRT file, which I can load on any text editor. For the demo purpose, I'll just show it on the browser itself. It basically has an in timestamp and the end timestamp with the text. This is the format which SRTs use. And that is pretty much it. This can be opened on any text editor and you can use this for your purpose as a transcription file. So that is how you can convert your video into text and do a very easy transcription online, and that too automatically. We really hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Now, Typito is a video editing tool that is designed to make video editing super easy for creators like you. If you like it, please go ahead and check it out and see if it can help you with your video editing needs. And if you like this tutorial, please go give it a like and share it with friends who might find it useful. And you can also check out our YouTube channel for more updates. We'll try to create more meaningful and thoughtful videos for creators like you. Thank you and see you soon in the next video. Bye.